Welcome aboard this beautiful 2001 Hunter 340, available now at Little Yacht Sales in Kemah, Texas. The Hunter 340 is a very popular design with an accommodating layout, excellent sailing characteristics, a large, comfortable cockpit, and a walk-through transom. She is easy to single-hand both under sail and while docking. Whether you're ready to sail for the islands or just around the buoys, the Hunter 340 can really make a difference. This vessel has been very well maintained and has had many recent updates. The swim platform and walk-through transom, complete with shower and folding ladder, are perfect for water sports or for boarding the tender and allow easy access to the boat from the water and from the dock. The cockpit is safe and secure while at anchor or sailing and can accommodate more than just a few friends. The cockpit is spacious and there are two center tables that are easy to set up and walk around. There is easy access to storage under the seats. Behind the helm is plenty of seating and the space feels secure. This Hunter 340 is equipped with a beautiful folding leather-wrapped wheel that enhances mobility in the cockpit while docked or at anchor. A custom console stands ready with the VHF radio, chart plotters, and autopilot, along with the engine instruments and single lever control. Additionally, easy to view sailing instruments are mounted over the companionway. There is excellent visibility in all directions from the cockpit. Control lines are led back to cabin top mounted winches on both the port and starboard sides. An integrated arch with bimini protects the cockpit from snapping main sheets and blistering sun, and the arch keeps the cockpit clear and open. Side decks are wide and have great access from the cockpit, and it is easy to walk around the stays to move forward and move around the deck. Moving forward, the foredeck gives easy access to the anchor windlass and anchor chain locker, which are under a flush fit deck hatch. The Hunter 340 offers a tall fractional rig and in-mast furling that is engineered to carry less weight aloft and is safe and easy to operate in a wide range of conditions. The deck layout reflects the innovation that accompanies the rig. Storage is everywhere you look, and the non-skid is first rate. The companionway is wide and open, and accessing below deck is safe and comfortable. Once below, you're greeted with a warm and inviting interior. The salon is wide and open with excellent seating options on both sides. Comfort is truly important aboard, whether for a week or a year, so Hunter has created an interior that not only looks good, but works well for you also. The large table provides plenty of room for meals for both the crew and the guest. There are many different areas for storage throughout the salon and the boat. To starboard is the navigation station with storage, chart lighting, and the power distribution panel. The efficient U-shaped galley has a solid surface countertop with fiddles and more than enough counter space to prepare meals. There is a sizable 2-basin stainless steel sink and a countertop lid to access the trash can. The microwave is mounted above the 2-burner stove with oven that is mounted on a gimbal. The spacious refrigerator and freezer are easily accessed from the countertop. There is ample storage for food and utensils. Aft and to starboard is a spacious head with solid surface countertops with shower that is conveniently close to the companionway. Aft and to port, there is the entrance to the spacious aft cabin with generous sized berth and plenty of storage. Moving forward is the forward cabin that has storage and cabinets on both sides and cubbies under the berth. The Yanmar engine and engine space are clean and has been well maintained. If you are looking for major comfort in a mid-size package and performance is important, then the Hunter 340 could be your answer. To book your appointment to view this Hunter 340, contact Little Yacht Sales.